Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access drafts on Twitter. First of all, and of course if you don't have Twitter on your phone, all you need to do just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android, or even App Store if you're using Android. I mean iPhone. Then all you need to do just go sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get straight to it. So as we said, we would like to have access to our drafts on Twitter. How can we do that? So it's simply by going first to your profile. All you need to do, just go here and click at the top left corner at your profile icon, and then click as profile. As you can see, after going to your profile, we have a three lines or three dots on the top right corner. So if you click on that, as you can see here, we have a lot of options which share drafts, lists your own view moment and QR code. All we need to do here, just click on drafts. And as you can see here, you will find all the drafts. For me, I don't have any drafts in this account yet, but if you do have, or if you want to have any access to your drafts, you will find everything here. So, so if you don't have any drafts, or you don't have any, or if you have at least one, it will appear here. But for me, as I said, I don't have it. So as you can see here, I have no draft. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.